First one is Sooji banana halwa. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons Sooji. Fry in low flame until nice aroma comes. Remove from flame. Add in half cup of water. Bring into a boil. Add in roasted Sooji. Mix quickly until no lumps. Cook the Sooji in low-medium flame until the Sooji gets cooked completely. Add 1 smashed banana. Mix it well. Continue stirring for 3 to 5 minutes. Continue stirring till the halwa forms a mesh, leaving the sides of the pan. Sooji banana halwa is ready. Next one is apple Sooji Kheer. Add half teaspoon ghee, 2 tablespoons Sooji, roast the Sooji for 2 minutes until nice aroma comes. Add half glass of water. Cook in low-medium flame for 3 minutes. Stir it continuously while cooking until the Sooji gets cooked completely. Add apple puree. Mix well. Cook it further for 3 more minutes. Switch off the flame and cool it down a bit. When it warms, add in half cup of prepared breast milk or formula milk. Mix it well. Transfer to a serving bowl. Apple Sooji Kheer is ready. My last recipe is Sooji Porridge. Melt half teaspoon ghee. Add 1 tablespoon Sooji. Roast the Sooji in low flame until nice aroma comes. Add half cup of water. Cook in low-medium flame for 3 minutes. Stir it continuously while cooking until the Sooji gets cooked completely. Once the Sooji is cooked, add half cup of milk. Mix well. Once the Sooji is cooked, add 2 teaspoons of date syrup. Cook it further for 3 minutes or until it's thick. Transfer to a serving bowl. It's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.